Hello everybody. Today we're going to be making the registration system for our forum, okay? So we're going to start off with setting up the form and connecting to MySQL. So this is actually a pretty easy topic. So we're going to finish this easily and fast, okay? So I created a folder called forum for our project, and in it I created a file called register.php. So let's open this up and write the simple HTML form. Okay, so head, and in the title just call it um, registration. Okay, now here in the head let's open the meta tag car set, and this tells the browser that the web page or this web page is using the character set of type UTF-8. Okay, so let's go to body. Okay, and let's create a form. And this form is actually gonna be basic. I mean, the styling of it is gonna be basic because the styling is gonna be on you and not for me. Okay, so you have to do the styling for this form. Let's say the action has to be the current script running right now, which is echo HTML special cars, and we explained this that every string here or whatever comes here is treated as a plain text or a plain string. So if you put something like an HTML tag like BR, it's not gonna treat this as a BR. Meanwhile, if you remove this and on echo you say BR, it's gonna treat this as a BR tag from HTML. And when you put HTML special cars and you put BR inside it, this is treated as plain string. Like it's gonna write this and this on the page. Okay, so here we're gonna say whoops, let's say server PHP underscore self, which means the current script running right now, which will be on the top of the page here. Okay, and the method is of course post. Okay, now we're gonna create the username as we created the table, as we specified for the table from the previous lesson. We're gonna be creating a username, an email, and a password, and the password is going to be hashed. So we're going to go ahead and create an input of type text. Okay, name equals username and placeholder equals username as well. We're gonna make a BR so it gives us a little bit of space. Input type equals text, and this is for the email. Name equals email, and placeholder is going to equal email. This should be capital. Okay, now it's capital and BR, and input another one for the password of type password, and name equals password as well. Placeholder equals password. Okay, now the submit button. Okay, so we're gonna make it right here. Type equals submit. Okay, now we're gonna just like head to this page and test what's out. Forum. Okay, register. So we have a basic form of HTML made right now, and we're gonna add the functionality in the next lesson. But for now, we're gonna be connecting to MySQL and testing the connection if it works. Okay, let's space this out. Let's add actually another BR for the look. Okay, and let's add a header here. I mean h1, a header called register page. Okay, just like this. And let's see if exactly. You know what? Let's remove this actually. Okay, now whoops. Now we're gonna be connecting to MySQL. So in order to do that, PHP has a built-in function for that called MySQL I, and I stands for improved. Okay, the underscore connect. So here goes the hosting, which is localhost for us, or 127.0.0.1. Okay, it's the same. It's going to be localhost. Okay, and here goes the username of this database. Okay, so it's going to be root, and here goes the password, which for in my case is 1 to 9. And actually, this function has another argument here, which says if you want to connect automatically to a MySQL base, okay, a MySQL database, and then use a database on it, like, let me explain. MySQL minus u root minus p. Okay. So here we connect it to MySQL. Okay. Now databases. What if we wanted to like use forum automatically? What if we wanted to like implement this command automatically without saying like use forum, just like this? MySQL I underscore connect has a functionality for this. So if you write in the fourth argument the database you want to connect on, it will automatically connect you to this database. So we're going to connect us to forum. Okay, and we're going to assign this value to a variable called con, which stands for connection. And we're going to test this connection by saying if con, if the connection is true, echo it's working. Okay, now this, we're going to add this in an if statement which checks if the submit button is clicked. Okay, so here we're going to say if server request method equals to post, this is going to be implemented. Okay, and else let's say it's not working. It's not. Okay, so here we're gonna just go refresh this page, or you know what, let's actually open it again. If we click the submit button, it says it's working, meaning that it's actually connected to the MySQL database. So here we connected to the MySQL database, okay, and we created the form. Next, we're going to be making the functionality of the registration system. Thanks for watching.